really had us out here doing the things, tanning, dieting, waxing, exercising, smiling, all just to attract a man. All so that the patriarchy could maintain power on the emotional and physical labor on the backs of women. I mean, they really had us convinced that the way to feel fulfilled in life was to have a man choose you. And look at all the industries that capitalize off of this notion. Makeup, fitness, cosmetics, the list goes on. It is almost 2025, but women all over are waking up and choosing whether to be the pick-me girl that tries to get a man or the powerful woman that they are who knows their self-worth. It's getting really good.